Hi, my name's Sylvan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to both install and remove a screen protector on your smartphone. So, as you can see, we have here my iPhone 6s, which has a screen protector installed on it. You can see that it is cracked, and one of the most important parts of this is knowing when to remove a screen protector. So, when to remove a screen protector is once it gets really cracked like this. Once you can feel cracks and you can feel glass coming off of them, especially then, that's when you should remove a screen protector, because it actually doesn't do you any good if it's already cracked. Once it's cracked, it's done its job, it's protected your screen, it's time to get a new one. To remove a screen protector, the first step is to get any piece of paper. So the thicker the piece of paper, the better. But if you just get a regular piece of paper, you can fold it. Once usually does the trick. And then what you're going to do is you're going to slide it under the screen protector. So first you're going to use the thinner side and try to sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's really easy. If it's already peeling off, that's the place you want to start from. So that piece of paper wasn't working for me. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what you can do in that case when it doesn't work is you can use your fingernails if you have any, but I don't have much fingernails and I can do it. And you can use it to pry up on it, on the screen protector, until you see that little bubble. All right, now I repeat, don't pry up on it more than that, because then you will break the glass, get shards everywhere, it's a whole thing. So now you can insert the paper. All right, get more bubbles going on there. The more bubbles, the better when you're trying to remove a screen protector. So you want to get to a point where you can get that paper under there and basically let the bubbles do the work. Gently slide it. It's okay if it cracks a little. It's just, the less cracks, the less glass you have to deal with, and the better. All right, and once you get it enough, or if it's not working, you can use your hands, but you don't want to break the glass too much, because the purpose behind this is you just don't want to get scratched. So, I think we just about got it. Oh, see, it broke right there. But luckily, no glass is coming off. I'm not getting scratched. All right, so we're going to put that there. And there, you have successfully removed your screen protector. All right, so now we want to get rid of this stuff and bring in our new screen protector. Now, I'm not going to name the company I'm using this because I forget, but companies are going to say, it's so hard, it won't scratch, it won't break, but in truth, all screen protectors are basically the same. You'll pay $60 for one, and it'll break at the same time as one that's only $5. So, I want to get this out. And then this one has nice pull tabs here that you can help position it onto the phone. What we're going to do first is we're going to prep the phone. So some kits come with these. You don't have to worry if it doesn't. You can just use a regular, this is a different screen protector. You can just use like a regular wipe, regular paper towel. The goal here is just to make sure that the screen is clean so that you don't get any of those, so you don't get bubbles in your screen protector. Now this wipe isn't wet for some reason, but it'll do the job. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning it, and I have a light right here. So what you want to do is when you do this, you're going to want to have a light shining bright on your phone, because you're going to want to see if there's any dust particles that are coming that are on the screen. You want to get rid of any dust particles, because those will get in the way, and then you'll have a screen protector that is filled with bubbles and dust and hair underneath, and that is just the worst. I've never applied a screen protector where there hasn't gotten dust underneath or hair or anything, but you want to make sure that the least amount you get, the better, because it's just a really annoying thing that happens. I'm looking in the light, and that looks pretty good. Now, also when you do this, you want to be slow so you don't kick up any dust in the room as well. So now that we have our screen all cleaned, we are ready to apply our screen protector. So on screen protectors, they'll have two filaments covering the sticky side, and then one covering the not sticky side as well. So this is the sticky side one. So we're going to remove that down to about here. All right. And then what I like to do is I'm going to place it over my phone as precisely as I can, and then pull the tab and place at the same time. So what I'm doing is I'm lining it up like that, and then voila, there. And we have a pretty good screen protector. Alright, so now you see some bubbles. What we're going to do is we're going to push those out with our finger, running our finger along the sides, pushing any bubbles out. And now we're going to remove this part, and I'm looking at it. I can see some dust under it, but this will do me good until I need to replace my screen protector again. You want to power on your phone, and if you have an iPhone that has the white background, this is a good way to be able to see if there's any dust there. I think I did a pretty good job. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. It's a quick one, and I stumbled a little with how I was talking and doing it during it, because believe it or not, it is hard to put on a screen protector and film at the same time. So if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe would be amazing, and see you in the next one. Peace.